Hello and welcome to our channel, Thinkers Buzz, where we share motivational content to help you achieve success in all aspects of life. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of success, money. Whether you're starting a new business, pursuing a new career, or simply trying to improve your financial situation, having a healthy mindset about money is essential. So let's dive into some key principles that can help you achieve financial success. Success is not given, it's taken. Success is not something that can be bestowed upon us by others. It's not something that can be bought or inherited. Success is something that we have to earn through our own hard work, dedication, and perseverance. We have to take it for ourselves. This means that if we want to achieve success, we have to be willing to put in the effort. We have to be willing to work harder than anyone else, to take risks, and to push ourselves outside of our comfort zones. We have to be willing to fail, and then pick ourselves back up and try again. Success is not something that comes easy, but it is something that is within our reach. It's up to us to take it. It's up to us to set clear goals and work towards them with unwavering focus and determination. It's up to us to believe in ourselves, even when others doubt us. And it's up to us to never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may be. The only thing standing between you and your goals is the story you keep telling yourself. The stories we tell ourselves about ourselves, our abilities, and our circumstances can have a profound impact on our lives. If we tell ourselves that we're not good enough, not smart enough, or not talented enough, we may begin to believe it, and this can hold us back from achieving our goals. On the other hand, if we tell ourselves positive stories, we can begin to believe in ourselves and our abilities. If we tell ourselves that we're capable, resilient, and determined, we can develop a growth mindset that will help us overcome obstacles and achieve success. It's important to recognize that the stories we tell ourselves are not necessarily true. They are often based on past experiences or the opinions of others. But just because we've told ourselves a certain story in the past doesn't mean it has to define us. We have the power to change the story we tell ourselves at any time. So, if you find yourself telling yourself negative stories, it's important to challenge those stories and replace them with positive ones. Instead of saying I'm not good enough, say I'm capable of learning and growing. Instead of saying I can't do this, say I'll figure out a way to make this work. Surround yourself with successful people. The people you surround yourself with can have a big impact on your financial success. Seek out mentors and other successful people who can offer advice and guidance. Join professional organizations, attend networking events, and connect with others who share your goals. When you surround yourself with people who are already successful, you'll be more likely to achieve success yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to take control of the stories you tell yourself and your journey towards success.